Okay, this is what I got. No light. But this is a Rheem classic spark ignition.
I know we're probably due for a new furnace. Our air conditioner's getting there too because we're starting to have issues with that.
Yeah, I seen that.
If you can save me right now for the winter, we're wanting to do it next summer.
Okay.
We just sided the house and did some roof and all that. I'd like to get that paid off. And
yeah.
When that's paid off, go to the next thing. So yeah, if you can get a repair to get me through the winter.
Yeah.
That's what I'm looking at. And then next spring, I even told your guys at Dependable, they quoted me a price and everything. So
yeah, I seen that. We're out, I think, in June.
Yeah, for the air conditioner. So
yeah, because that was low on charge or something.
Yeah. Yeah, if we could just get through and get the rest of the stuff paid off, and you know, it would really make things nice and not have to do the extra 2 payments.
Yeah, we'll see what we can do here. But I know we got something's I know I got a bad part somewhere. So we'll see if we're flowing gas.
We just had to put a new hot water tank in too. It's like the house is right at that age.
Yeah.
Going at once.
Yeah, it's right at
and
the.
Nothing can. It's not like anything's this year, that year, the next year. It's all happening all at once. Our siding was starting to fall off. Our roof blew off in a storm.
Yeah, usually it's that 15 to 20 year mark.
Yep.
Where everything starts happening.
And here it seems like 16, 17. It's all happening at once.
Yeah. Well, let me start this thing back up and see if I got any. Gas flow.
Black knob on the top of that where you just turn the gas on and off.
Yeah. Yeah. Because it's on right now.
Okay.
See, I don't have any gas flow through it. So, next step, let's see if I got power to it. So I have a bad gas valve.
Is that the that whole contraption there?
Right there, because started it and didn't have any gas flow through it.
But you got power.
But I got power there. So that's telling me, hey, that gas valve was shot. And I do not carry a direct spark gas valve on the truck.
Okay.
So I'm going to have to get this ordered.
Okay.
Basically, I should have it, because I don't have any supply houses around here that I can get one from.
Alrighty.
So I'll pick one up tomorrow. Is someone going to be available tomorrow?
Oh yeah, we're working from home, so we're good.
That's
we're
good.
Always home.
That's good. That's good. Everyone's healthy?
Oh yeah, yeah. In fact, I don't. Other than 2 of the girls' teachers,
Yeah.
I don't know one single person that's had COVID.
That's good.
Yeah.
I don't know anyone that's had. Even the customers I go to a lot of houses.
Right.
Even my customers, they don't know anyone.
Isn't that weird?
It is to a certain extent. Yes, it is.
Strange.
And well, another thing is we're kind of in St. Clair County.
We're lucky to live where we live.
Yeah, exactly.
True.
But even down in Macomb County, it's only, I figured it out. It's only like 1% of the population, but it's getting worse. People aren't paying attention to what they're doing. They don't care about what they're doing.
from what I've read, our numbers here in our county actually elevated because apparently a lot of the nursing home patients that had COVID were brought into our county from overflow from other counties.
Really?
And that's a lot of our elevation in our county here. So, you know, that's...
Well, that gentleman is a talker. Couldn't get a word in edgewise, kind of, sort of. But, oh, yeah, that turned out being, you know, it's a bad gas valve. As you can see, I got power to it. No gas going through it. Thing was turned on. That's it. That gas valve's done. I know they have gas to the house because they still have hot water. So that was just a quick diagnostic on a gas valve. It's direct spark. I do not really carry a direct spark valve on the truck. I do not, because I don't run into too much direct spark. So I'm gonna get this one ordered, and we'll see you on the next one.